In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a staging environment in Siteground. A staging environment is a safe, private copy of your website where you can test updates, new plugins, theme changes, and design tweaks without risking your live site. It's one of the best ways to work confidently, knowing you can experiment and review everything before anything goes public. Start by heading to My Siteground in your browser. This is your main account dashboard. Once you're in, look for the section that lists all of your hosted projects and click on Websites. This view helps you quickly find the exact site you want to work with, which is especially helpful if you manage multiple domains or subdomains. Choose the site you want to prepare for staging. Next, open Site Tools for that website. Site Tools is where SiteGround centralizes everything you need to manage your hosting, from files and databases to security, emails, and WordPress controls. It may take a moment to load the first time you open it, especially on larger sites, so give it a second if needed. Inside Site Tools, go to the WordPress section. This area is tailored specifically for tasks related to WordPress, and it keeps the most common actions easy to find. From there, open Staging. This is the dedicated area for creating and managing a staging copy of your site. On the staging page, you'll see an explanation that working directly on your live website is risky and that testing changes on a staging copy is strongly recommended. That's exactly the point of this workflow. Make changes safely, verify everything in a controlled environment, and only then consider rolling those changes out. Here you'll find controls to create and manage a staging copy, monitor what's different from live, and prepare a deployment back to production when you're ready. A few practical tips as you get familiar with this screen. Make sure you're working on the correct site if you have more than one in your account, and remember that staging typically lives on a separate, private URL, often a subdomain, so it won't be visible to regular visitors. If your site is large or media heavy, creating the copy may take a bit longer, and resource usage like disk space can matter. When you eventually deploy changes, be mindful that pushing to live can overwrite parts of your production site, so always review what's included and coordinate timing if your site takes orders or collects new content. That's it. You've navigated to the staging area in SiteGround and you're ready to work safely on a copy of your WordPress site before anything goes live.